Hi everyone, I hope you're doing fine. So guys, let's dig into SOLANA Bounty, which is recently launched on Aladdin and managed by me. So I saw so many questions how to join and how to verify the moderating Telegram and so on. So just watch this video and I hope this will cover all of your questions. Let's go. So guys, just for your information, you must read all the terms and conditions so you know what to do and how to do all the tasks. As for registration, if you want to apply for video campaign, just go to register now bar. Here you can see that you must join the Telegram portal, you must follow the Twitter, you must follow the Medium, and then if you scroll down you will see you have to put your forum username, your authentication post link, your video link, the video you created for the bounty, your number of subscribers, and Solana address. Now there are two questions. What should we put in their authentication post and what should we put in Solana address bar? Let's come back to our main bounty thread. As you can see that for proof of authentication you need three things: your Telegram username, campaigns applied for, and also the main thing is your phantom.app SHIB phantom Solana chain address. I will tell you how to create your phantom app address. As you can see that from the main bounty thread there is a link given by which say that phantom.app. Click on that link, you will direct it to a page like this. Okay, so you don't have to worry to anything. If you are using PC or Mac, you can always click to download button. You will direct it to 4 options. Because I am using Chrome, then I will click to Chrome. Here it said that you can add your extension to Chrome. Add the button, add the extension. Wait for it to install. Meanwhile, okay, it is already installed. Now you have option to create new wallet, and if you are already using Phantom, you can always use your previous seed to use your Phantom wallet. But as you can see that I am new to Phantom, I will always have to create my new wallet. Here you can add your password, agree, continue. Continue, get started. Now if you click to that extension, you will see your Phantom extension installed. Pin it, open it. Now your wallet is created. Click on Solana chain. Wait for your address to be loaded. Click on deposit. Here you can see that there is an address saying deposit Solana address. Copy that address, close, notepad. Now if you want to create the proof of authentication, copy that format, come to notepad, and here. For Telegram username, you can always put your Telegram username here. Campaign applied for, what type of campaigns you are applying in Bounty, like YouTube, Twitter, Telegram, and article. Okay, as you can see that I created my proof of authentication. Copy that, reply the Bounty thread, and here you can see that this is my proof of authentication post. Click on your post, copy that message and come back here to registration form and paste your authentication link here. And in that bar you have to put that address here. Okay, so that's how you will create your Solana address from Phantom app and your proof of authentication. For video link, you have to put your video and subscribers, number of subscribers you have on your video, and here you can put your Telegram username, whatever you have. Okay guys, that's how you will register your video campaign. For other campaigns, it's same. Like if you want to register your Medium article, click on register now, come here, put all the information, and in authentication post you will copy that very message you posted previously, and for Solana address you have to use that Phantom app address. If you want to register for X or Twitter, register now, come back here, join all the platforms, your username, authentication post link, Twitter account URL, followers, Telegram username, and like again that phantom.app address. For Telegram, repeat the process, and that's how you are going to join Bounty campaign. But some of you guys are saying how to join. You have facing problem about how to join Telegram. I'm going to tell you how to join their official Telegram portal too. For that, I'm going to use my mobile phone. Just follow these steps. So guys, in order to verify your Telegram, you just have to follow these steps. Click verify and wait for it to load. Then click here and you will see that a new link will appear. Click on that link and join the group. Now you will in the main official group of SHIBA. But if you still facing problem in loading of verification, you must try using VPN and your problem will be solved. I hope this will be helpful to you.